Power up the camera. To power up the H7C dual camera, connect it to a power source using the provided DC power adapter. Once you plug in the adapter, the camera will initiate its startup sequence. The PT, pan tilt, lens will rotate once, signaling that the camera is powering on. Initially, a red light will illuminate, indicating that the camera is in the booting process. As the camera completes its boot up, the red light will change to blue and begin flashing. This flashing blue light signifies that the camera is ready for configuration. At this point, you will also hear a voice announcement instructing you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the EZVIZ app. Download the EZVIZ app from the Play Store. The installation will take a few minutes. Once installed, open the app and select your region. If you have an existing EZVIZ account, log in with your phone number or email. If you're new, register by choosing either email or mobile number. For email registration, enter your email address and create a password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and verify your email by entering the code you receive. You can link your phone number to your account for easier login and enable face or biometric authentication for added security. Since we have already registered with an EZVIZ account, we can directly log in and use the app to start configuring the camera.